Welcome everyone to day 3 of the Vortex call, and I'm your friend Shruti Agarwal. And these girls and ladies are flirting with me. I can see on the call, and they make me smile uselessly. Oh my God, how will I do the call if you girls are making me smile like this from inside? Love you. Thank you for always having my back, and thank you for having your back too, friends. So, today is day 3 of the 3 days. Most of y'all were there for the first and second day. If not, please listen to it. It has so much of golden nuggets. If not, you can choose with us the 11-day series, which I do every 4 months. When you're in the vortex, everything you desire, friends, everything you truly, truly desire, you actualize it. What we do, we all stand on the edge of the vortex most of the time. Instead of standing in the edge of the vortex, friends, start learning to jump inside. It may be uncomfortable. Trust yourself, believe yourself. Trust the vortex, believe the vortex. And yesterday I had given you a few home plays. When you know what to do to be in the vortex, stay with people who are in the vortex. When you are staying with people who are in the vortex, they will keep on pulling you, dragging you inside. On the contrary, when I talk about the contrast, in the contrast, when you are with the people who are not in the vortex, they will make all the excuse, all the story, all the drama to pull you out of the vortex. What are you choosing, friends, without making anything wrong or right? Do you all get that, friends? This was the important part which I shared yesterday. If you did not hear the call, please go and listen to the call of day 2. Now, vortex at that ocean is that milking lake where everything actualizes. Are you willing to milk it? What are you milking more of? Joy, you will get joy. You're milking more of happiness, you will get more of happiness. Now, what happens is when you have a small ask and that small ask does not actualize, you have a small negative emotion, friends. Right? For a second, we feel like contracted. We feel like it did not happen for us. Doesn't it happen with all of us? It happens with me. I do not know about you. I'm sharing my part. So when I have a ask and that ask does not happen, I for a second I go, now if that ask is big and that does not happen, you go into a big negative emotion. So simple. Did you girls get it? If there is a small ask, it's a small negative emotion. If there is a big ask and that does not get happen, that does not actualize, you go into a big negative emotion. Now, when we are going into all of this, we ourselves are making ways and pathways to not be in the vortex, friends. So, anytime the secret is you go through the negative emotions with body, with relationships, with money. No, no, does not work for you. Immediately come out of it. Immediately come out of it, friends. Do you all get it? If you cannot get it, please call me. I have your back. I know there are so many women on this call who will have your back. Charu is there, Sonia is there, Parita is there, Harikriti is there. I know Purva is amazing with kids. She has your back. Rima is there. Call any of us. Guys, please get it. We are here not to die by ourselves. We are here to create a tsunami on earth. Are you choosing that? Having each other's back, friends. We have to change this way of functioning. Are we willing to be that herd who's willing to be heard? Or are we willing to be that herd who's like the masses, doing the same routine and nowhere to be seen? What are you willing to be? Which herd are you functioning from, friends? You have to learn to trust that in the vortex, all your ask, small, big, actualizes. How can you be and do that? You have to instill more of trust, belief, and joy in you. How much trust can you be to yourself? How much joy can you be to yourself? How much all of that you can be to yourself? Forget others. It's about you. In the Vortex, it has gifts for everyone. Now, if I think I get all the clients and Charu does not get, or Purva does not get, or Parita does not get, or Harikriti, I'm a fool. I'm fooling myself and I'm stopping myself from creation. The Vortex is so gigantic. The Vortex can give you 7 billion clients every day. Do you have that capacity? Are you willing to, really exponentialize in that capacity, friends? Or we go into that, I don't get clients, I don't get this. You do not trust yourself. The moment you trust yourself, the moment you are being that joy, you will send that vibration across the globe, friends, where people will choose you regardless of what. Be that demand. Be that for yourself. What actions are you taking? If you listen to the first and second day of my call of Vortex, what actions are you taking, friends, to be in the Vortex? We are taking all the reactions to come out of the Vortex. It is only for you, get it. All that fortune in the Vortex is only for you. Maybe you asked for a 5-carat solitaire. It did not show up. You asked again. The Vortex will give you again. You asked again. It will give you again. You asked again. It will keep on giving you. You are not trusting that you're worth it. You're not having that patience. You have sown a seed, and if you keep on taking out that, that seed from the soil, will the seed ever germinate? So for the seed, that mud is the Vortex. That darkness is the Vortex. It trusts itself. The seed has the trust in itself. The seed has the trust in that darkness, that mud. Can you have that trust? The mud has all the fertilizers, which is trust, belief, joy for that seed. Now, if you see that place which you have created for you, which is your Vortex, now, however storms are going in there, friends, have so much of joy, so much of trust. That is your fertilizers. So much of it. Have more, more, more. More the storm is there, add more of joy. And then nothing can stop you, guys. What we do, we see at a certain situation which is not happening for us, and we just negate the rest 99 things which is happening for us. What that one thing which is not happening for you and what the 99 things are happening for you, you start being in so much of joy and trust with that. This one thing which you are thinking is not happening for you, by default it will happen. What are we? We are just nagging this one thing. Maybe a seed, a sprout which we eat every day, germinates in 2 days. Maybe a mango seed does not germinate in 2 days. That does not mean that the mango seed is useless. Maybe the ask which you're asking is taking a certain time. Can you trust it? Each one of you. Remember, nobody can take all that fortune which you have for you in that Vortex. It is just yours. You complain, you complain, you complain, and the more you complain, the more you complain, the more you nag, the more you nag, the more you complain, you're out of the Vortex. Boom. I ask you to be in the Vortex. What you do, you make ways to be out of the Vortex. Do you see the kids, how they actualize everything? Do you see that? How do they do that? They are in the Vortex 24/7. They trust it. They are so joyful. Are you willing to be that energy? Guys, if you remember these 2 examples of the coffee, which I shared yesterday, and of the seed, which I'm sharing today, you will make all the actions, take all the steps to be in the Vortex. Keep on reminding yourself that the storm which we are going through, or the storm which we are in, What if that is the vortex? And now the fertilizer is joy, happiness, harmony, trust, belief, gratitude, appreciation, all of that, which I've been sharing every day, friends. If you start adding these fertilizers to everything, you will see how it changes. Are you willing to be so courageous? Urva, teach this to all your kids whom you play with. It'll be a game changer because they are in the vortex. It's like adding this little thing to them. And definitely in 11 days, it's like a very extensive thing which I shared. And you, Parita has been there for the 11 days or 21 days. There's so many, Charu is there. There's so many people who has played with me for those 11 days, 21 days of vortex, and they have changed their life in living. And it's not about changing your life and living. You change yours, and then you become that magnet to change other lives and livings who are willing to. So how many of you all are willing to do that and have that for you? Parita, what changed for you after the vortex call? Charu, what changed for you after the vortex call? Did anything shift
My
for you, Charu?
life, my whole life shifted.
What do you mean by that?
So there was, a lot of ease has happened. It's like you ask, can you receive? So whenever I have an ask, I ask for it and I just leave it there.
Charu, that is very abstract. What was that storm you were going through which changed for you? Maybe with body, with relationship, with finances. What was it, Charu?
With body, a lot of stuff changed. I started accepting my body much more than what it was. Losing all the excess fat has now become ease. What changed with my home? A lot of stuff changed. I was looking for redoing my entire home since many, many years. And after the Vortex call, that happened with ease.
And how many years was it you were telling me yesterday?
18 years.
18 years. Somebody was waiting outside the vortex for 18 years to get a house redone. Brilliant. Guys, little things start shifting. Parita, what shifted for you after the vortex call?
Yeah, so for me, many things. My relationship with my daughters and my husband has really shifted. And like everywhere, I was doing everything for them. Now it has shifted. They're doing for me. Interesting point of view. Yeah, they adjust according to my schedule, my classes, my workshops. Earlier, like I had to do everything for them first and then schedule my things.
Wow.
And my basic thing about what I was judging, where I could not facilitate classes, that has shifted a lot. I have started facilitating and I have reached globally, which is where,
Yes.
like,
Yes. And that is the demand which I'm asking for everyone.
yeah.
When you are willing to step in the vortex, you empower trillion other people across globe.
So right
Charu
now
has
I'm
done
like
that. Parita has done
awesomely
that.
facilitating. Yeah.
Yes. Now, do you see, is there a trickle of pride in Parita? No. There is a trickle of contribution and consciousness in her, where she changed her. I have seen her growing. She changed her. When she changed herself, her choices, her family started adding to it. And now the globe is adding to it.
One more thing. I was very close to my parents, which you remember while the cord cutting class, which I used to always cry. It has shifted amazingly. Like they were 5 minutes away from my house. I never went to them. But now they've shifted to 15 minutes away. I almost visit them every week twice.
See,
And they call me, come, you've not come this week. So that has shifted and changed where my brother never used to call me. He likes now regularly, normally also he calls up. If he has work, he used to call me earlier. Now it has shifted. Yeah. So my point of views have changed and even theirs. So that is the
awesome.
confidence is real.
Yes, that is when you're willing to be in the vortex with so much of trust and so much of joy. Guys, are you willing to have that? empower you, and empower globally without any resistance, friends. You never know what gift, what contribution are you which you're stopping yourself from by just sitting outside the vortex. Yesterday, I was sharing yesterday, if you're singing your own music, nothing will change. If you just change that music, everything will change. Charu changed her music, Parita changed her music. And how long? Maybe 6 months, 7 months? From last year, April, May, from then to now. That's it. Do you want to trust yourself, guys? Trust is the process, nothing else. The more we keep on complaining, we are out. We are out, kicked out of the vortex. And nobody is kicking you, it is you yourself who's kicking yourself out. How much ever we blame situation, how much ever we blame people, no. We blame money, no. Trust, trust, trust. The more you trust and the more you give it time like a seed to germinate, you will see. Charu was waiting for 18 years for things to shift and change in her life. And not 8th month. I know her since May or June. From there till now. I see her globally. I see Parita globally. Guys, what is stopping you all? What is stopping you all to choose greater for yourself? Can you make that space for you, which is a vortex? It is not only about you, guys. When you change you, when you trust you change 100 others, and they will change 100 others. Be that vibration. Are you willing to be that vibration? Are you so much preoccupied with your complaints? I'm sure we all have a set of complaints. Okay, let's do this. We will make 1 hour of complaint. That's it. 23 hours of gratitude, joy, trust, appreciation, and belief. Let's make that challenge. Who wants to join for that challenge? I will make a group. 1 hour of complaint and 23 hours.
I want to join.
Great, great. 23 hours. Okay, Parita is there. We will just create that group. Whoever wants to join, active members, Usha is there, active members. Nobody who is deactive will be deactivated from the group. Superb. Let's start it. And let's see what we create for ourselves. I just want roaring lions and lionesses in those groups who are willing to be that contribution. Superb. Take the third example of a fisherman. When the fisherman goes to fish a fish, the fisherman is going to the ocean with a rod and with the food for the fish. Now, when the fisherman is going with that rod and the food for the fisherman trusts the ocean, which is the vortex. Where his arcs are the fishes. He will wait there patiently and he will get the fish. If a fisherman can do it, what is stopping you? Guys, our basic things, our basic examples, if we open our eyes, we can see it. Are you willing to have that for your life and living? Learn it from the day-to-day activities. The day-to-day activity is vortex. Anything which is stopping us from actualizing all that we desire, because we are not in the vortex. There's a list of things to be in the vortex: joy, gratitude, appreciation, feel good, high vibration, receive, fulfillment, be this, mindfulness. Most of us are not mindful. We are, in the mind, chatter, 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 chatter. Start being mindful. Out of the vortex is anxiety, doubt, not feeling good, resistance, worry, anticipation. All of this. I'm sure we all go through out of the vortex situations also. I will not deny. Now we will step up, guys. We will make that challenge. 1 hour of out of the vortex, 23 hours of the vortex. and let us be vulnerable in that group. Whatever shows up, whoever is joining that group, whatever shows up, we will all spill it out in the group. So we are having each other's back. Let's do that. And to know more aggressive, more intensive shares, join the 11 days, which we are starting on 15th. These ladies have done it. Charu, Parita, so many other women have done it. They are not on the call right now. If you all are willing to look and play and outcreate it, willing to go with that intensive, because it is intensive. If you're willing to go through that intensive, trust in you, join the 11 days. Otherwise,
What are the
listen.
timings?
Timing, I think so. It is 3 or 4. I have to check, Pooja. We will post it in the group. We have to be so true to ourselves. That is intensive trust in you, aggressive trust in you. If you do not have, enjoy your anxiety. Listen to this 3 days until unless you master it. Keep on listening, keep on listening, keep on listening. I've shared amazing tools, amazing home plays.
It's
Please
3 o'clock, huh?
practicing.
Every day.
Start practicing it. Any questions on Vortex?
Yeah,
Any question?
I want to ask about Vortex.
Yes.
Actually, Vortex is वो क्या है?
Listen to the first day. Listen to the first call, Usha. It's there. All the 3 calls are there. It will be uploaded. If not, the first uploaded, listen to it, you will get it. It is the
It's
it
3
is
every day, huh? All, just letting them know.
yeah, great. Anything else? Superb. So thank you everyone and see you all on 15th.